When was the last time you taught somebody something? I mean, when you get really good at what you do, at a point, to get better, you really need to evaluate what you know. And the best way to evaluate what you know is to teach another person what you know. And teaching another person can be a really difficult thing. I mean, you think you know. I mean, and when you tell them something that you think you know, you expect them to go, "Oh yeah, okay, thanks very much." But that's not always the experience of the person that you're teaching. So you need to be aware of that as well. But teaching a person can show you how much you actually know, can help you to a place where you can learn something by the way somebody else is learning. And you can find out if you actually do know a thing, and if you can communicate it, then you're getting to a place of mastery. Which is why one of the reasons that I have this training company I have, the Entertainment Experience, which sponsors my little program. If you want to know more about it, you can go to entertainment-experience.com, or you can reach out to me personally. Also, one of our sponsors is Electro Voice, speakers and microphones. If you don't have microphones and speakers by Electro Voice, why don't you? They're really amazing. And if you want to know how amazing, just ask anybody who uses them. But anyway, as you learn to teach, you get better at what you do. That's why when they say when you get to a place where you think you know what you're doing, the next step to mastering that thing is to teaching another human being. There's a lot of things you learn as you do. And I bring it up today because it can be as simple as teaching them how to DJ, teaching them how to sing, or whatever that thing is, or teaching another person how to drive, which is what I'm doing today. One of those things when it comes to teaching is not only do you learn a lot, but it's nerve-wracking. And if you want to know how nerve-wracking it could be to teach another human being, teach your daughter how to drive a car. How you doing over there? Yeah, no, don't look at the screen. Look at the road. I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and watch careful. Stay in your lane. Stop it. Stop. This is awful, man. I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and stop the car. Just stop.